3D printing is actually a misnomer. It's actually 2D printing over and over again. And in many ways, it's a celebration of mechanical engineering. It's been dominated by a mechanical engineering perspective where you deposit layer after layer after layer, and you use 2D printing technologies to do that. I think carbon 3D is going to revolutionize manufacturing. And we are big believers of the opportunity of fabrication with light. Light is a powerful chisel. It's driven Moore's law in the microelectronics industry, but in thin layers. We're going to be able to bring it into a third dimension and make three-dimensional objects. And what that's going to drive is the ability to make complex things out of great materials at really fast speeds. And that combination is going to be powerful and open up new opportunities in businesses. It's going to democratize manufacturing, allow people to convert their own ideas into a physical object. And I think it's going to have transformative implications for business models, for individuals and companies that we're pretty excited about. We're revolutionizing 3D printing, and we do that by harnessing light and oxygen, which work in polar opposite ways, to grow things out of a puddle, much like T-1000 and Terminator 2. We think about using light to set the shape, but we use chemistry to set the properties, and that allows us to make really phenomenal parts that have the properties to be a final part. So to fabricate with light this way, in order to do this, we really need to own the intersection of hardware, software, and molecular science, and it really requires bringing a great team of people with different perspectives to the table to make this work. For us to drive innovation, we're a big believer that diversity is a fundamental tenet of innovation, and that's broadly defined to have people with different perspectives, different cultural backgrounds, different technical backgrounds coming together with a common vision and bring all that with them to have a better solution, and I think that's what our key is.